Hey there, succulent lovers! Welcome back to the Succulents Box YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into how to take care of a true houseplant favorite, Crassula ovata, or as most of us know it, jade plant. What makes the jade plant stand out from other succulents? For one thing, it has a special growth habit. Unlike many succulents that stay small and compact, jade plant can grow into a tree-like shrub that can reach up to 6 feet indoors. It even develops thick, woody stems over time, making it look like a miniature tree. Moreover, jade plant isn't just another pretty face. It's a symbol of prosperity and good luck in feng shui. Jade plant is generally safe for humans, but be cautious if you have pets. This plant can be toxic to cats and dogs if ingested, so be sure to place it somewhere out of reach. Jade plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. It needs about 4-6 hours of light each day to keep its leaves vibrant and full. A south or west-facing window is ideal if you're growing it indoors. If you're transitioning your jade plant from indoors to outdoors, take your time. Gradually increase its exposure to direct sunlight to avoid any leaf burn. You can use a grow lamp if your room does not have enough natural light. When it comes to watering, jade plant is super drought tolerant, but that doesn't mean it likes too much water. The key is to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. During the growing season in spring and summer, aim for once every 2-3 weeks. In fall and winter, you can cut that down to once a month. Make sure the water drains out completely to avoid root rot. In terms of soil, like most succulents, jade plant needs well-draining soil. You can use a commercial succulent or cactus mix, or create your own by mixing regular potting soil with some perlite or sand. As for fertilizer, you only need to fertilize during the growing season, spring and summer, using a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Don't fertilize during the winter, as the plant goes dormant during that time. Temperature-wise, your jade plant will thrive in conditions between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. During the winter months, it prefers cooler temperatures, but make sure it stays above 40 degrees Fahrenheit because this plant is not frost-tolerant. Low to medium humidity works best, so you don't need to worry about high humidity levels in your home. Keep in mind that a pot that's too small can restrict the roots, while one that's too large may lead to waterlogging issues. It's essential to select a container that appropriately matches the size of your plant and is made from a porous material like ceramic or terracotta. Jade plant doesn't need frequent repotting. Once every 2-3 years should be enough. When repotting, choose a container with drainage holes and a slightly larger pot than its current one. This will give the roots room to grow without holding too much moisture. Pruning is essential for keeping your jade plant in shape. Start by removing any dead or damaged leaves, then trim any branches that are growing out of place. This will encourage new, healthy growth and help maintain a balanced shape. Want more jade plants? It's super easy to propagate them. Just take a leaf or stem cutting, let it callus over for a few days, and then plant it in well-draining soil. Keep the soil lightly moist until new roots develop, and soon enough, you'll have a baby jade ready to thrive on its own. One big issue with jade plant is overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Always make sure the soil dries out between waterings and that your pot has good drainage. On the flip side, underwatering can cause the leaves to shrivel up. If you notice this, adjust your watering schedule and give the plant a good soak. And there you have it, a full guide to caring for your Crassula Ovata Jade Plant. Whether you're a seasoned plant owner or new to succulents, following these tips will help your jade thrive and bring good vibes into your home. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips. Got questions or advice to share? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.